Hey, what's up? Got another video here, the budget dirt bike build. Shit's getting done now. I'm over in my buddy's shop here, Inventor MT, Matt T. Screwed that up a bit, but Inventor Matt T. Check him out on YouTube, he has some sweet shit going on there. Off the grid videos and all that. But back to this little video. Got the mounts made up, all welded in. He made them up. Those ones there too. Chains nice and straight. So we're gonna start putting all the electronics in it and shit. Here's just a little update to what's going on now. Everything seems to be fitting great. Piece from the stock muffler. Not too sure what's gonna happen with that yet, but stay tuned and you'll find out.